Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on how you can get a $10,000 line of credit from Teemo. This is the new wave of credit and receiving credit through fintech companies. So now these kind of fintech card companies are looking at different ways to approve people without looking at your credit. This is going to be an income based credit card, so a line of credit. So understand that what this is going to require for you to have in order to qualify for this line of credit is a bank account. And the more income that you make, the better it is for you. But there is no interest or no fees. There's no credit history required, and you can earn up to 2% cash back. So, with these companies, they understand what millennials that are making money, and basically, it's hard to build credit. The great thing about this company and about this line of credit, you can qualify and not even be an American citizen in order to get this line of credit. It requires for you, you can use, if you are a non-citizen, your ITIN card. I mean, ITIN number. So for those that are American citizens, you can use your social security number also, but you are going to be judged not on your credit history, but on how much you make and your banking information. Now, also, to add along with this, you don't have to worry about any hard inquiries on your credit report if you're building credit. And this line of credit will help you build credit because they do report to the three major credit bureaus. And even better, this is a MasterCard, so you can use it in different places just like any other credit card. So now with this system, it's actually more or less like a charge card. So the way that this works, they will take the payment of whatever you're spending on the card directly from your bank account. Now, you have the options to set up weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. But what's going to happen is you're not going to be able to carry that balance over. Whatever charges that you made on that card will come due on that time frame, and you will pay that. This is allowing this company also to help you build credit, but it also help you not to get in the hole. So it's a way to have access to credit, but it doesn't have that effect that normal credit cards, that at the end of the day, people rack up a lot of charges that they can't afford. So with Teemo, it's a very simple process to get approved. So the first thing you will do, you will enter in your email address to see if you're pre-approved. I will have the link down in the description, so feel free to click on the link after you finish watching this video. Next, what you are going to do, give me 1 second. Next steps that you're going to take with this card, you're going to go to this screen, and what it's going to tell you, welcome, let's get your pre-approval rolling. So here you want to enter in your name, and you will, your age. You will enter in your age. You will select, do you have a social security number? Yes or no. And are you a student? Once you enter in this information, this button here will light up and you will go to the next step. Next, it will tell you you're almost done. Now, what you want to do is enter in your total monthly income here. Remember, your approval is based on your income, but you want to make sure that you can prove out what you're putting into your monthly income here, because they will be checking your bank records in order to prove that out. Then it'll say the total combined bank account balances. So you can put in a number here on your total combined bank account balances. Then you should get how much you're pre-approved on the next screen. So it will say, congratulations, you were pre-approved for a certain limit amount. Now, this amount can be up to $10,000, dictating and depending on your income. So this is a great way for those that are building credit, and you really is trying to fix your credit. If you're trying to report primary lines of credit, trade lines, to your credit report, this is a great way to access that. So if you enjoyed this content, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you are on your credit journey and you have collections, we have letters in the description where you can buy them and remove your collections. Also, we have a free hard inquiry removal letters at our website on the home screen. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.